Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to send Word document on WhatsApp from PC. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to web.whatsapp.com, and from there just simply sign in into your account, and you should be able to see an instructions on how to connect your WhatsApp into their website. And from here, just simply select the person or the contact that you want to send the word with. And after that, you should be able to see here this plus icon over here. Just simply click on it, attach. And from here, just simply select a file type. So I'm going to go for document over here, guys. And now from here, just simply click on show all files over here. And now just simply select the file that you want to send. So I'm gonna go select this word over here and click on open, and after that I should be able to add a caption as well here. So let's say I'm gonna go for download this, and now if you want to send more, you can just simply click on this as well, the plus icon, and select another file. And once you are done, just simply click on this green icon over here, and you should be able to send the word into WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!